In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Monday.com app when it's not working. Whether you're using it on mobile or desktop, there are several steps you can follow to troubleshoot and hopefully solve the problem. Let's get started. First, it's crucial to check if Monday.com is experiencing a global outage or undergoing maintenance. To do this, visit status.monday.com. If there is an issue on their end, you'll need to patiently wait for their team to resolve it. For real-time updates, consider following @monday.com on X, formerly known as Twitter. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Verify if you are connected to Wi-Fi or if your mobile data is turned on. Try to access another website or app to confirm that your connection is stable. If Monday.com still won't load, try switching networks or restarting your router. Now let's ensure your Monday.com app is up to date. If you're on a mobile device, head to the App Store or Google Play Store, look for Monday.com and tap Update if it appears. For desktop users, visit monday.com/download to reinstall the latest version. Outdated apps can struggle with new system updates, causing them to not function properly. Clearing your cache and app data can resolve many common issues. On Android devices, navigate to Settings, then Apps, find Monday.com, and clear both cache and data. If you're on an iPhone, simply delete and reinstall the app, since iOS doesn't allow direct cache clearing. If you're using the desktop version, close the app and press Ctrl+Shift+R on Windows or CMD+Shift+R on a Mac to force refresh the cache. Try logging out of the app and then logging back in. This simple action can reset your session and refresh your authentication, potentially fixing any loading issues. Check the storage and permissions on your device. Make sure you have adequate free space available and enable critical permissions for Monday.com to function correctly. Lack of permissions can cause the app to freeze or fail to sync. If you're using a battery saver or VPN, these could interfere with the app. Battery optimization can pause background sync, and a VPN might block real-time updates or login requests. It's a good idea to turn these features off temporarily and try reloading the app. If all else fails, try accessing Monday.com via your browser. Simply open Chrome, Safari, or Edge and log into your account. If it works on the browser, but not the app, consider reinstalling the app on your device. As a final measure, reinstall the app. Uninstall Monday.com completely, restart your device, and then reinstall it from the App Store, Play Store, or the official Monday site. This can eliminate any corrupted files or old cache causing issues. If you followed all these steps and the app is still not functioning correctly, it's time to contact Monday.com support team. Visit Monday.com Contact Us to reach out to them, either by filling out a contact form or by sending a detailed email to support@monday.com. Make sure to include your device type, app version, and any relevant screenshots or screen recordings of the issue. They typically respond within 24-48 hours. By following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and potentially fix any issues with the Monday.com app. Thanks for watching, and good luck!